Welcome back to another Mr. Lee Teaches YouTube tutorial. Today's going to be a very short one. We're going to show you real quick the new feature that has been added to Gmail. It is a confidential email. You can add a text message verification to it. You can set it to expire. So real quick, we'll walk you through that and you'll see what it's all about. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Gmail. And then I'm going to go to compose a new message. And so now you see there's a new icon down here at the bottom, and we're going to use that. So I'm going to compose this message to myself, my personal account, so I can be sending it somewhere, and I'm just going to test it out. And then I can type my stuff here. And then I'm going to click the little confidential icon. And then I can set it to expire in a day, a week, a month, 3 months, or 5 years. There is no custom setting for that right now, so deal with what you got. I can do a passcode for a text message or not. And so if you do the passcode with a text message, you need to know their cell phone number. And it will ask you to input that. So I'm going to show you that part. But if you put the no passcode, once you hit send, it gets sent. So I'm going to put the passcode and hit save. And then it tells me at the bottom of the message, and the receiver gets this at the bottom of their message as well, telling them when the content expires. And if you are typing your email and you decide you want to change that, you can always go in and edit it and set it to the way you want to set it. So here I am done. I'm going to click send. And it's going to ask me for the cell phone number. And so I'm going to put in my cell phone number and hit send. And so now I'm going to switch over to my personal account and show you what it looks like on that side. So here's the message. So I'm going to click on that. And then it says that I got to verify my identity. So and it even tells me which number is going to by giving me the last 2 digits. So I'm going to say send passcode. And then it's going to send me a text message, and it gives me the number that I need to enter. So once I hit submit, now it shows me the message. And so it's a very secure way of sending something that's confidential or eyes only kind of thing. Now, I also get the message out here that content expires, so I know as a recipient when that content expires as well. Switching back over to my school account, if I come into the sent messages, and so I sent that to myself, if you go into your sent messages, anything you send in confidential mode, you can come in and remove access. And so if I click this button, that just expired the message. So on my end, the receiver's end, if I go back to my inbox and I want to go back to that message, it tells me it's expired. So you actually have individual control over it. So if something changes or you need to revoke access to that email and all the attachments, you can do that at any point, not just waiting till it expires on the set time that you set. Other than that, I think that's all you need to know about it. Use it with fidelity. It is a very powerful thing. It literally destroys the email and it's gone for forever when you do it that way. But for certain things, I think it's going to be very useful. In a nutshell, that's how confidentiality mode works, or confidential mode works. I hope you find it useful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.